Kiwi told me to tell you there's a sale to promote the new K4 Headstrap for the Quest 3 and the K4 Boost for the Quest 3 and the Quest 3S. So you want to save some money? Just use the affiliate link and you can get your own K4 Headstrap while also supporting me, Bearski. This video is on the K4 Boost. The K4 is super lightweight and comfy. It's basically the same except it's a little bit lighter. So it is an absolute monster upgrade over the default Headstrap. There's no two ways about that. And yeah, we do need to get to the stats, so let's flip the box over and get to it. Alright, now let's get on to the unboxing dealy. Watch me struggling with the packaging stickers. Luckily I have a pen, making it easy mode. The other side. Struggle some more to open this thing, and there we go. It's a very simple box. Huzzah! It opened! Nothing crazy. It's actually just two pieces. As well as a warranty booklet to tell you that you have 2 years and 24/7 support. Pretty crazy support from Kiwi there, as well as the assembly instructions, but we're not going to need those. So, I'm going to point out, big fan of the small USB cable that plugs into the headset. If you didn't know, if your charger is hanging from the headset unsupported, then it can lead to damage to the port. Kiwi did right by making this a small supported cord directly from the battery. Very, very good choice, good design. And now the very well-known super comfy halo that Kiwi is known for, as well as a top strap. It's extremely comfy, and I'll go into a little bit more about that after I get this thing on my head. Did you know that Kiwi backs these things with a 2-year warranty? Yeah, I have to say that again because that's just insane. Alrighty, pop the halo into the battery holders, remove the old headset strap, wiggle the top head strap into the Q3 strap holder without wrecking the Velcro, take off the side arms carefully, click the side arms together. It's a fantastic system. Using a ratchet utilized by the Kiwi brand straps. Not a fan of the exposed underneath charge port for the battery. I wouldn't mind if it was. I would like it better if it was closed, if it was a kind of a more of a plug deal, and I'm not really liking how it's underneath. You just got to be aware of that. But that's where it is. So comfort, 5 out of 5. Dang comfy. You don't even know it's there, as it gives the back of your skull a loving hug. Yeah. Battery life. I did multiple sessions, but 1.5 hours is the most I can get, and it's consistently 1 hour and 50 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's just what I get. That's a solid amount of extra time. Basically doubles what the Quest 3 gives by default, but the claim is 2 to 3 hours additional app dependent. Could be I'm a power user, but it just didn't seem to live up to what's on the box by, 30 minutes to an hour. I'm still going to give it a 4 out of 5 because it doubles your play session, but I am not going to be able to give it a perfect score. Charging time. It took about 2 hours from dead, so 5 out of 5. It took less time than what's on the box said it would. And if it takes less time to charge the battery than charging the headset, charge time exceeded expectations. 5 out of 5 for sure. The K4 Boost is an excellent lightweight battery pack for the Quest 3 and Quest 3S. Looking to get one on sale? Now's the time. They got a sale going on from June 6th to June 8th for 20% off. Don't forget to use my affiliate link. And they also have a sale for the K4 Comfort going on June 9th to June 15th for 25% off. So make sure you check those out. Thanks for watching. Bearski out.